Hi, in front of me is ALCATEL 1B 2020 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose Security and tap on Face Key. Over here click Continue, enter your current login method and tap Continue again. Now click Continue one more time and choose Later or Turn On. If you want to enable Face Key right away, click on the blue button over here. And now when I go back and turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!